Are you having foot pain with your first steps or when you first wake up in the morning? If so, you can have plantar fasciitis or an inflammation in the sole of your foot. These simple tips can help you decrease the pain in your foot. When you're sitting, you can try and have your foot as far back as you can under the chair without your heel coming up. That means that when your foot is under the chair, that fascia or the sole of your foot is always going to be on a stretch. So then when you stand up and take those first initial steps, you're not going to hurt your foot. The second thing you can do is if you have pain in your first steps when waking up, you're going to be lying down and you want to make sure that before you take those steps, you're going to stretch your foot. So you're going to take a non-elastic band or belt and put it right underneath your toes, like so, and you're going to raise your leg up, keeping your knee straight, and pull your foot towards you. You're going to hold that stretch for about 2 minutes. So make sure before getting out of the bed, you always stretch using these exercises to avoid that strong impact on your foot. The other tip that I want to make sure you do is that when you're sleeping, make sure that the blanket isn't pushing your foot down. So you can have your feet outside the bed or a loose blanket, but nothing tight that pulls your foot down, because that's going to make this really taut and it can hurt. So the 3 tips if you have foot pain when first waking up in the morning is to make sure you always stretch before you put your foot down. Make sure the blanket isn't pointing your foot down, and make sure when you're sitting, your heel is as far back as it can go. And this should help decrease the pain in your foot.